Hey guys, welcome to Acharya Habba. This is your MC Vaishnavi. You might see me around the college very often. Here we are finally in the Habba season, the most favorite season of all the Acharyans. Today we are here for a special announcement, that is we are going to release the launch dates. So let's get on to it.
And the Habba launch date for 2024 is 20th April, Saturday.
Hello everyone, this is Prarthana from Architecture. So today we are here with decoration team. Naale Habba launch ide, that is Acharya Habba launch. So decoration team, what and all they are working, will come and see. Decoration they have started working from past 2 weeks and tumba effort ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತುಂಬ ಜನ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಸಲ ನಮ್ದು ಆಚಾರ್ಯ ಹಬ್ಬ ಥೀಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ they have done a wonderful job. Come, let's see how it's going on. So it's almost 7 o'clock and people are still working. Come, let's see how their preparations are going on.
Hey guys, welcome back to Habba Vlogs.
So here we are 20 hours left for the launch, which is tomorrow. Are you excited, Vaishnavi?
Of course I am, who is not?
So here the decorations are happening in the Anna block and the dance practice is happening here in the basketball court.
We had all the MCs trained in the main auditorium. We had a 3-hour long session.
And it was a very, very happening day for all the volunteers. Everyone's been working really hard and we're excited to show our results to all of you too.
Yes, we are. We have been working on this since 1 month and finally here is the day we showcase our talents. We showcase all the hard work that has gone behind all the events. We have special additions this time, that is we have a sundowner.
Yes, so we have the auto show happening and just after the auto show we have the fireworks show and at the same time the sundowners are performing. Here we have the team, everyone sitting here and
As you can see, they are all very, very excited.
Yes. We have everyone here and the dance performance is happening there.
Set and ready for tomorrow.
Yes, and we have Prarthana there in Anna blog taking the vlog regarding the decorations that's happening. Everyone's working pretty hard for it and we are excited for tomorrow. We are really excited for tomorrow.
Yes, we are. You will be watching all the vlogs. You'll be getting all the updates and all the behind scenes as well, all the hard work that goes under one event.
Yes, basically. So I hope you all are excited for tomorrow and see you all tomorrow for the Habba launch.
Bye!
Bye bye.
So last 1.5 month ಇಂದ we have worked so hard. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾಳೆ ಪೇ ಆಫ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಸೊ.
It's too big actually.
7:30. Still people. So here we have Miss Arya Oza. So Arya, how is it? Habba 2024.
I mean, I hope it's going to be great tomorrow. Let's see what happens.
So you have been here from the last 3 years, 4 years.
3 years.
So yeah, 3 years. So this year's Habba is different, or you think it's the same, or?
No, being the senior, I think it's a little bit different because that time we had people above us and they used to tell us what to do. This year we have to tell them what to do. It's very difficult.
And here we have another set of decorations going in. There's one more set over here.
So juniors, if you're watching this and if you ever want to volunteer next year for decoration, it's a big yes because Habba decorations are always fun. You get to stay back in college at night and enjoy the work with friends and faculties. It's super fun. Please do be part of decoration.
Here we have Mr. Arjun.
Hello,
Arjun, what's up?
guys.
So how is decoration going on?
Decoration is going good, bro, for now. Well, the credit goes to the decoration team.
And the decoration is still happening here in campus. Everyone is here working hard and putting up the decoration in the entire college. Everyone saying hi. Hi. So here we have crossed Anna block basically. And here also in the entrance that is near the 3rd gate, people are putting their efforts in having an amazing decoration. And I want you guys to know there's pretty much hard work going behind all this. So let's go see that. See here, Divyansh was working pretty hard, holding it simply. What is it? And now that is also gone. We have Megha here. Mega, what do you think about the decorations and everything happening?
It's going pretty amazing.
RJ Mega Jada.
Not yet, guys. You look at the people. Papa, tumba kashta padta hai mere.
Yes.
So let's make it a successful one. Let's make it a successful one.
Everyone's pretty excited for tomorrow. Even I am. And honestly speaking, everyone's putting hard work over here. The decoration.
Literally running around.
Yes, holding the
with
flashlight.
So
Here is the flashlight guy is also here. I'm sorry, Sushant.
Flashlight, guys. Nice.
Sushant is running around with the flashlight. Yes, but we all are having fun here. I don't know when we'll be leaving campus, but pretty sure after the decorations are done. Yep. It is fun. So, as I said before, anybody want to volunteer as decoration committee next year also?
Next year.
Go for it. Yay!
Hello Acharyans, here I am again. So as you can see, our campus is beautifully decorated. So it was hard work from our people. Nenne ratre 4 ಗಂಟೆ ತನಕನೂ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, so ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 4 ಗಂಟೆ ತನಕನೂ they have worked, and as the effort you can see, so the campus is beautifully decorated. Wait. Not yet done. I want to show you guys something else. That's the entrance. So campus sutta, all I can say is orange, black and white color. Yaake andre this represents our theme for this time Habba, that is Save Tiger.
The fans is watching, niggas plotting to kill. Survival or die. Come on, let's picture the possibilities.